achievement in costume design. Right, this is one of my favorite segments, and because it flows from production design. And the nominees this year are The Grand Budapest Hotel, of course, Inherent Vice, Into the Woods, Maleficent, and Mr. Turner. Okay, as we discussed before, Mr. Turner, everything is period, everything is in place, costumes are impeccable, but that is my problem with it. The costumes are impeccable, the art is impeccable, nothing looks used or aged or something that has actually been worn by a person. Everything looks brand new, and that for me is a major flaw in costume design. Right? So Mr. Turner gets turned down, in my opinion, for that reason. Maleficent, okay, over the top, very Disney, very modern. I don't think worthy of costume design.
How much of it was costume and how much was CGI?
Yeah. Nowadays this is becoming a major problem. When costume design and production design and CG are all mixing together, you don't know what is worth what. So
Actually,
I think we need to figure out a way where we can block our minds and think on purely what was done in one particular segment.
You know what? Maybe they need to show us behind the scenes with green screen so we know what is your costume and what's your CG.
Yeah. So Maleficent, I don't think should win.
And I have the same problem with Into the Woods.
Yeah.
The same problem.
Into the Woods, again the same problem. You don't know how much is actual costume. You don't know how much is CG, and based on what would you judge it? Okay. Inherent Vice, honestly, I haven't seen, so I don't know. But the Grand Budapest Hotel.
Inherent Vice has kind of a 70s thing, and I feel that has been done many times before. So there's nothing spectacular there, which brings us to
The Grand Budapest Hotel, which is my personal favorite, running in the Oscars this year for everything production design, from costume to art to props, everything.
And it deserves all of it.
And it deserves all of it, Grand Budapest Hotel is a movie that has its costumes perfectly in its period. It has its costumes that look really worn by the characters. The color palettes of the costumes tell a story. You know who's boring, who's gritty, who is flamboyant, who is boisterous. Everybody's costume is more than a costume. It's a story of the character. It's a story of what that person is. Even when you see the guards in grey, these are serious people. When you see the black stripe on them, these are murderously serious people. When you see someone in a regular light faded suit, this is someone to be taken casually. The colors of the costume speak the story, and for that reason, I think as for achievement in costume design, this year Grand Budapest Hotel will take home the Oscar. What do you think? Which one of these would actually win the Oscars? Let us know, put in your comment below and let your vote count.